Okay. Okay. Right now I'm pretty bored. I just got back inside from taking my sister swimming. Um, I've had hiccups all day, and it's starting to hurt. I just put up some new pictures, so if you get a chance, can you check them out for me, pretty please? Um, I'm gonna be saying a few more of these videos. Um, but besides that, well, honestly, I have nothing else to say. Other than these freaking hiccups are bothering me. Ugh. Anyway, if you have nothing else better to do, just comment or message me. I'm pretty bored. So, talk to you later. Bye.